It's not always easy enforcing chores on your little ones, to taking the time to teach them the value of the dollar.
Right.
Which is why I found an app that's changed our lives.
This is genius.
It's so good. It's called iAllowance. And for so many times, I've tried to do chore charts and things like this. This is iAllowance that you can see right here. I've got it on my iPad right now.
So it makes it a game?
Well, it's not much a game, but it's something that you can do with your kids, and they can participate. And you see, this is the sample. It's free for this sample. There are other things you can do in the paid version.
But how does it work?
Well, I'll tell you, Lacey. See that kid Harrison? He's got his own shelf. He's got his own little picture frame up there. My kids have their own picture. Now you see this right here. These are his chores that he's got. Make the bed. Now, you know, these are things: make the bed, take out the recycling, empty the dishwasher. These are things that you do because you're it's part of a family. These are things you need to do at your house. You don't get paid for these things. These are things we all do. So when they do it, like today, if he did it, he goes up and he clicks that and he gets a star because he made his bed this morning.
So that doesn't mean his money goes up. That just means he gets...
Right, and I'll explain that in a second.
Okay.
But if he has bad behavior, look, we can do this. See this down here? Oh, he acted badly. I can make a little sad face. This creates different accounts, and this is what I love about this thing. They get an allowance. I'm not paying them to do work around the house. They get an allowance per month, and it goes into different bank accounts. So you can see up here at the top, see there on the right-hand side?
The cool little smug pig.
You've got, yeah, your smug pig. You've got your savings. You've got midterm savings. You've got a spending money account that goes into it. So they see their account rise.
Wow.
Right? And they can figure out what to do with it.
So you're really teaching them accounting and being able to handle money?
And you're teaching them that those chores they do when they make their bed, those get stars. And they have a star account right there. You see he's got 24 stars. Now what's really great is, what can he do with those stars?
Exactly. I was about to ask you that.
On the top you see the rewards. He's got rewards. For 25 stars, he could spend 25 stars on an hour of video game time. Or 10 stars on a new book or getting ice cream. And then he's got rewards for
So incentives.
Money.
There's some incentives there.
Yeah, my kids, I've got 25 stars set up for a new Pokemon pack. They love Pokemon cards. But if they do that, then they're not going to have any stars left. They may have 10 stars left for a book, and so they may want to figure it out. What's great is it's so interactive. You can log in and change it yourself. When you're logged out, they can make adjustments to their chores and say they made their bed, but it's a different color. You have to go check it and make sure that it's good.
So they can't just lie about it.
No, it's fantastic.
Is it free?
It's free for this version with one child, but for $3.99 on iTunes with your iPad or phone, you get as many children as you want on there. You can sync it with your Dropbox, which is great. So it syncs between my wife's iPhone and my iPad. They can go up and adjust it. It's really teaching them so much on how to save.
Budget.
I've divvied up. They get paid twice a month, just like I do. And that money goes into different bank accounts. One is for charity, one's for savings, and one is spending money. And so they see their money grow in their different accounts.
What have they used their charity money for?
Nothing yet, but it's growing. It's starting to grow. So then they can decide what they want to do with it, who they want to give it to.
That's cool.
They are embracing this more than I even expected.
Yeah, you said that your dishes have never been cleaner.
Oh my gosh. We opened up the dishwasher and it's been unloaded, and he went in and checked that he unloaded the dishwasher, and I'm like, this is awesome.
So if you want your kid to do chores, all you have to do is spend $3.99.
Yes, exactly. It's one of the best investments that you will make. I really, really love iAllowance. So thank you for
Very cool obsession.
Thank you for letting me share my obsession.